Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the podcast to help you pop off in English in real life. If you want fun and easy English for daily life, you are in the right place.
And before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. It really helps the channel, and it tells us you want more episodes like this.
Today we have a super useful topic. We will talk about useful English sentences in daily life. These are sentences you can use every day, at home, at work, with friends, in shops, everywhere.
All the sentences today are simple. They are good for beginners, but they are also real English that people actually use. Nothing strange, nothing too formal, just natural, easy English.
We will put the sentences in small conversations so you can hear how people use them. Listen and think, where can I use this sentence in my life? Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in 5 minutes.
Also listen to the pronunciation, the rhythm, the speed. You don't need to repeat, just listen and enjoy. You can always come back and listen again.
All right, let's start with daily life at home. Imagine a normal morning. You wake up, you are tired, maybe you want coffee, maybe you want to go back to bed. Here are some useful sentences.
Mia, it's 7 a.m. You are in the kitchen. I come in and I look very, very sleepy.
Leo, morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I went to bed too late.
Same here. I couldn't fall asleep.
I'm so tired. I need coffee.
Help yourself. The coffee is on the counter.
Thanks. Wow, it's so quiet. Where is everyone?
They're still sleeping.
What's the plan for today?
Nothing special. I have a lot of work to do.
Yeah, same. I have a busy day.
I have a meeting at 9. I'm already stressed.
Don't worry. You'll be fine.
I hope so. By the way, what time is it?
It's almost 7:30.
Already? I'm running late.
Go get ready. I'll clean up here.
That would be great. Thank you.
No problem. I've got you.
These are all simple sentences you can use in the morning. Let's take some of them and look at them more slowly.
Did you sleep well? You can ask this every morning to your partner, your kids, your friends, or even when you stay in a hotel and you meet someone at breakfast.
I couldn't fall asleep. This means it was difficult to start sleeping. Maybe your brain was too active. Maybe you were thinking about that one message you sent 5 years ago.
Help yourself. This is very useful. It means you can take it. You don't need to ask. For example, help yourself to some coffee. Help yourself to some cake. It's friendly and polite.
What's the plan for today? You can use this with friends, family, or coworkers. It means, what are we going to do today? It's very natural.
I have a busy day. You can say this when you have a lot of things to do. It doesn't need to be dramatic. It can be work, study, cleaning, shopping, anything.
I'm running late. This is a good one. It means I am late now, or I will be late soon. For example, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Now let's move to the bathroom and getting ready. This is also part of daily life. And yes, we also need English in the bathroom, but not too much.
Leo, imagine we live together as roommates. I'm outside the bathroom, and the door is closed. Are you almost done?
Just a minute.
I really need to use the bathroom.
Okay, I'm coming out.
Thank you. By the way, did you use my shampoo again?
Maybe.
Seriously?
I'm sorry, I ran out of mine.
Next time, just ask.
You're right, my bad.
These are daily little conversations. Not very dramatic, but very real.
Are you almost done? This is very useful. You can use it for the bathroom, the shower, the kitchen, the computer, anything. It means, will you finish soon?
I really need to use the bathroom. This is polite and clear. Simple and perfect.
I ran out of mine. To run out of something means you don't have it anymore. I ran out of milk. We ran out of sugar. I ran out of time.
And my bad. This is casual. It means it's my fault or I'm sorry. You can use it with friends, with family, or with coworkers if the situation is not very serious.
Now let's go to the kitchen again. Breakfast time, food time, the best time.
Leo, I'm at the table. You open the fridge. Do we have any milk?
Let me check. No, we're out of milk.
Again, we just bought some.
I think I drank it all.
Next time, leave some for me.
I'll try. Do you want some toast?
Yes, please. Just a little.
Do you want anything on it?
Do we have any jam?
Yeah, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. It smells so good.
Help yourself to more if you want.
I'm good, thanks. I'm not really hungry.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
Yeah, but my bed is the most important place of the day.
Here we have some very common sentences. Do we have any milk? You can use this with almost anything. Do we have any sugar? Do we have any bread? Do we have any coffee?
And when the answer is no, you can say, we're out of milk. This is the same idea as, we don't have any milk, but it sounds more natural.
Just a little is super useful. You can use it for food, time, money, everything. Do you want some coffee? Just a little. Do you have time? Just a little.
I'm not really hungry. That means maybe you can eat a little bit, but you don't want a big meal.
Now let's move to outside the house. Going to work, going to school, going out. We will start with one very common daily situation, being late.
Yes, the international daily sport.
Imagine we are meeting outside a cafe at 8 a.m. I am late. You are on time.
Hey, Leo, where are you?
I'm on my way. I'm almost there.
How far are you?
About 5 minutes away.
Okay, I'll wait for you here.
Sorry I'm late.
It's okay. It happens.
The bus was so slow today.
No worries. Let's just grab a coffee.
Good idea. I really need one.
I'm on my way. This is a fantastic sentence. It means I am coming now. I am moving towards you. People use this all the time in messages.
I'm almost there. You can use this when you are close, maybe 2 or 3 minutes away.
How far are you? You can ask this when you are waiting for someone. You can also ask, where are you now? That's also very common.
Sorry I'm late. This is polite. You can use it in many different situations, with friends, at work, at school, for a meeting, for a date, for everything.
It happens. This is a kind answer. It means, it's okay. This is normal. It's not a big problem.
Now, imagine we go into the cafe to order. You need a lot of useful English sentences in cafes, restaurants, or shops.
Okay, I'm the customer. And you are the barista, but still Leo and Mia. So it's like Leo has a second job.
Welcome. What can I get you?
Hi. Can I have a small latte, please?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks.
Is that for here or to go?
For here, please.
All right. Your total is $5.
Do you take card?
Yes, we do.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your drink will be ready in a minute.
Thank you so much.
What can I get you is a very common question from staff in shops and cafes. It means, what would you like?
As a customer, you can say, can I have a small latte, please? Or I'll have a small latte, please. Both are natural.
Anything else means, do you want more? Maybe more food, more drinks, more items.
That's it, thanks. This means, no, I don't want anything else. I'm finished.
For here or to go. This is perfect for cafes and fast food restaurants. For here means you want to eat or drink in the cafe. To go means you want to take it away.
Do you take card? This is very useful to ask if you can pay with a card and not just cash.
Now we leave the cafe and we go to work or school. Let's imagine an office situation. Simple sentences for meetings and small talk.
I'm at my desk. You arrive. Hey, Leo. How's it going?
Not bad. A bit tired. You?
I'm okay. Just a little stressed.
Do you have a lot of work today?
Yeah, I have so much to do.
Same here. By the way, are you free this afternoon?
It depends. What time?
Around 3.
I have a meeting at 3.
What about 4?
4 works for me.
Great. Let's catch up then.
Sounds good.
How's it going is an informal way to say, how are you? You can use it with coworkers and friends.
Not bad is a very common answer. It means I'm okay. Not amazing, not terrible.
Do you have a lot of work today? You can also say, are you busy today?
Same here. This is short and easy. It means me too.
Now, are you free this afternoon? This is useful to ask about someone's time. You can change the time. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free on Friday?
It depends. This means I'm not sure. Maybe yes, maybe no.
4 works for me. Here, works means is good or is okay. You can say Monday works for me or this time works for me.
Let's catch up means let's talk and share news about our lives or our work.
After work, maybe you go shopping. Let's do a short shopping situation. Very, very useful daily sentences.
I'm in a clothing store. You are also in the store with me. What do you think of this t-shirt?
It looks good on you.
I'm not sure. Does it look too big?
No, I think it's the right size.
I like the color.
You should get it.
I don't know. How much is it?
Let me see the tag. It's $20.
That's not too bad.
And it's good quality.
True. Okay, I'll take it.
Nice choice.
What do you think of this t-shirt? You can use this sentence with any object. What do you think of this dress? What do you think of this phone? It means, what is your opinion?
It looks good on you. This is very useful when you want to say someone looks nice in some clothes.
I'm not sure. This is a soft way to say, maybe no.
Does it look too big? You can change big to small, tight, short, long, and so on.
How much is it? Simple, important, perfect for shopping.
That's not too bad means the price is okay. Not very cheap, not very expensive.
After shopping, maybe you go home and relax. Let's look at some useful sentences for the evening when you are at home with friends or roommates.
It's evening. We are on the couch watching something.
What do you want to watch?
I don't know. I'm easy.
Let's watch a movie.
Sure. Any suggestions?
How about a comedy?
Sounds good to me.
Wait, I've already seen this one.
Do you want to watch something else?
Yeah, let's change it.
Okay, no problem.
What do you want to watch? It's simple, but you can change the last word. What do you want to eat? What do you want to do? Where do you want to go?
I'm easy means I don't have a strong opinion. I'm okay with many options.
Any suggestions? Is a polite way to ask for ideas.
How about a comedy? This is a great sentence to make a suggestion. You can say, how about pizza? How about we go to the park?
I've already seen this one. Already means it happened before now.
Do you want to watch something else? Here, something else is very useful. You can say, do you want something else to drink? Do you want to go somewhere else?
Now, at the end of the day, you probably want to go to bed. Let's finish with some useful bedtime sentences.
It's late. We are both tired.
I'm going to bed.
Yeah, me too. I'm exhausted.
What time do you have to get up tomorrow?
Around 7.
That's early.
I know. I have a long day tomorrow.
Good luck. Sleep well.
Thanks. You too. Good night.
Good night.
I'm going to bed. Very simple, very common.
I'm exhausted means I'm very, very tired.
What time do you have to get up tomorrow? You can use get up for leaving the bed in the morning.
I have a long day tomorrow means you have many things to do.
Sleep well and good night are nice ways to say goodbye at night.
So today we looked at many useful English sentences for daily life. At home, in the cafe, at work, shopping, relaxing, and going to bed.
Of course, there are many more sentences in English, but if you use these, you can already do a lot in your day. You can talk to people. You can survive without just saying yes and no.
Try to notice these sentences in movies, series, and conversations. When you hear them, think, oh, I know this. I can use this too.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar to communicate. Short, clear, simple sentences are great. Many native speakers talk like this too.
If you enjoyed this episode and you learned some new, useful sentences, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with your friends.
You can also leave a comment with your favorite daily English sentence from this episode, or a sentence you often use in your life. That way, you help other learners too.
Thank you so much for listening and spending this time with us.
Keep using your English a little bit every day. Small steps every day make a big difference.
See you in the next episode of Pop Off English.
Bye for now.